Hello,
Hi,
hi, how are
hi,
you?
good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
Yes, I am also good. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Right, right. So how has been your day?
It was great. It was
Okay.
uh, it was productive, I
Very
can say.
nice, very nice. How were
Yeah,
you productive?
because today I had attended one webinar, and
Okay.
it was excellent. The
Oh,
resource
really?
person
Wow.
was excellent. Yeah, so that's why I said it was productive.
Right, right. And what is the webinar about?
So it was about the power of mind.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's really
power of
nice.
Yeah, topic
Okay.
was power of mind. Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about, that webinar. You can just enlighten me.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
So,
Just try. Just try, saying all the key points, etc. You can say whatever you want. Yeah.
yeah, so the resource person was excellent, and the resource person said that like we have power to control our mind. No
Hmm.
one else can control our mind.
Yes.
Only we have
Absolutely.
power to control our mind. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
if we ask, so why we are worry in our life, and we don't have solution.
Why why we are worrying? Why we are worrying?
Yeah,
Right?
why we are worrying in our life, and we have only problem, we don't have solution. We ask this question from everyone. So
Yeah.
answer is within us,
Exactly.
because
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we can settle down our mind. No one can else settle down our
Mm-hmm.
mind. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it was about this. And
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. The last sentence that you said about settling down. Can you please repeat that? Because it did not come out properly.
so yeah, I was saying only we
Yeah.
can settle down our mind. We have
Mm-hmm.
power to settle down our mind
Okay.
from all those disturbance, from all those tension,
Disturbances. Yes.
disturbances from
Yes.
all those tensions, and from all those
Mm-hmm.
questions. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
right. Now I understood. So instead of saying settling down our minds, you can actually use this word controlling our minds.
Controlling.
That might be more appropriate because
Okay.
I think you can say this whatever you have said in a different way. That is, you
Yeah.
can say that we have the control to. I mean, we have the power to control our minds,
Mhm.
and you said something about depression, I mean tension, etc., right? Stress,
So, okay.
anxiety.
So in this term, I can't use settle down, because in on YouTube I had watched one
Mhm.
video about
Yeah.
Gautam Buddha, and one story was there actually. So
Mhm.
he was preaching
Okay.
something
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
his disciple, and there
Mhm.
he was also mentioned. Actually, that was one story. So
Okay.
there
Okay.
on that story, it was mentioned that
Yeah.
you are the only you are the only person
Mhm.
that you can settle down
Yeah.
your mind. Yeah. So
You can settle down your mind.
in this term
Yeah,
we can't.
it's correct. It is correct. It is correct. I'm not saying
Okay.
that it's wrong, but thing is, like settling down our mind. Well, I do not understand the context. Like, how do you settle down a mind? That is what I'm asking. Is it about being really calm and composed,
Yeah.
or deeply relaxed? If
Mm-hmm.
that is what you're trying to say, then yeah, settling down is the right
Okay.
usage. All
Yeah.
right.
So I
So,
was okay. Yeah,
yeah, tell me,
please
tell me, tell
continue.
me. No,
Okay.
that's all.
So
That's all.
yeah, so actually, whenever we have any issue, whenever we face any
Hmm.
kind of problems, so in our
Yes.
mind, lots of things are going on, right? Lots of
Right,
things
right, right.
goes. So,
Yep.
so yeah, so on that term, I was saying only you
Okay.
are the person, you can settle down
Okay.
all the things. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Then it's fine.
Maybe
Yeah.
I could
So,
not convey in proper way, so
no,
that's
no, it's not your fault. I mean, it's my issue. I couldn't understand
no, it's
what
okay. It's
you. Yeah, because I was thinking in a different perspective. That's what
Okay, okay.
I
Yeah,
was thinking about meditation. I thought you were actually going to talk about meditation and all the spiritual, stuff. But yeah,
okay.
you were talking about how you can, settle down, and
Yeah.
how, yeah, you're talking about a different perspective. So, I mean, either way, it's fine. Whatever you said is correct, right?
Okay.
So, what made you listen to such a webinar?
Okay, so earlier I told you I
Hmm.
am a teacher and
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
I know.
associated with one CBSE school. So yeah,
Uh-huh.
so nowadays like after this pandemic, yeah,
Hmm.
during this pandemic I can say, so we have one rule like in a
Okay.
year we have to complete 50 webinars.
Wow,
So yeah, so
that's
today
crazy.
it was yeah, so today's topic was power of mind. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and it was very relatable, and so we all connected because we all sometime or many times we all go with that phase, like we don't have any
Yes.
solution, and we started asking ourselves, we started
Mm.
asking by with from others, sorry, from others, like
Yeah.
I have this issue, I have this problem, so what is the solution? So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so
Right,
that's
right, right, right. Okay, yeah, yeah. That's really nice. So when is the next webinar and what is the topic?
actually, from tomorrow onwards, CBSE has conducted first term examination for 10th and 12th.
Okay,
So I think in the month of December, we don't have any webinar, but yeah, in the month of January, we will have webinars again.
very nice. Okay, right, right. All right. Okay. So now we'll just discuss a little bit on the topic for the day because I think it's a pretty exciting topic. It's about the future
Actually,
of.
yeah, about future.
Okay.
But you know what happened? I could not read the session topic because I don't know. Maybe on my end it was a network issue. So whenever I tried to open the session
Mhm.
document, then
Yeah.
I couldn't. I
It
couldn't.
wasn't
Maybe
opening.
no, no. So yeah.
Okay. All right. No problem. No issues. No issues. It's fine.
Okay,
But
okay.
still,
Yeah,
it's
but
a very easy
I
topic.
can discuss.
Yeah,
Okay, but
you'll be
yeah.
able to
Okay,
speak.
okay. Go ahead. Yeah, yeah.
It's
Okay.
about it's about how cities are going to be in the future.
Cities, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
No,
cities are
like
going
it's
to be
not
bustling.
only cities, not only cities,
Okay,
just how future will be. That's all. How our world will be in like 5 to 10 years time or 25 years time. That is the topic. Yeah, because I
well,
just glanced, I just went through the topic quickly
mm,
before the session, so that's what I saw. So
okay.
yeah, it's something regarding the future. So we
Hmm.
just discuss a little bit, and then we'll move on to other topics. All right.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
about the future, how do you think that our world will change in the next 25 years?
Okay, so like just to 1 year back, we suffered with this disease, with this pandemic. We
Yes.
suffered a lot. Like the whole
Mhm.
world suffered a lot. So
Yeah.
yeah, if we don't care about our environment, because nowadays our all the kind of industry, I want to say, like in
Mhm.
every aspect, science is growing, technologies are
Yeah.
growing, and
Yeah.
we are very careless towards the environment, towards the nature, towards the environment. So
Mhm.
if it will be same, if it is same, so I
Yeah.
think we will face lots of challenges, lots of difficulties, and because
Mhm.
we are playing with our mother nature and we are playing with
Yes.
our environment, so we are going to
Mhm.
face lots of difficulties, like just
Right,
during this
right, right.
pandemic we suffered with like oxygen, like oxygen, we suffered
Mhm.
with oxygen, like we did not have the enough oxygen to breathe.
Mhm.
So yeah.
One second, hold on. My dog is barking really
Okay,
loudly.
okay.
I'll
Yeah, yeah.
just tell my mom to, take him away. One second, hold on.
So I had pet, actually one bunny was there. Just a
Mhm.
couple of days ago, what happened? One cat attacked him and he passed away.
Oh,
So,
oh my
yeah,
God, that is so sad.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
Not bad.
So it
Yeah,
was a bunny. Oh, right.
it was a bunny.
Okay. Are you planning to get another one?
Actually, one more bunny is there. He
Oh,
so how to say he delivered some babies. How to say? What
he
is the
gave
correct?
birth. He gave
He
birth.
gave birth. He or
It's
she?
not a he. She. It has
She.
to be
Okay,
she. Yeah.
sorry, sorry. Yeah. So yeah, she gave birth, and now we have four bunnies, and
Very
they were
nice.
small. Yeah, they are
Okay.
cute.
Are they around? Are they around where you're sitting?
No, no, no. They are in the cage.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are in the cage
But
because
during the next session, if you're gonna book me, just bring those bunnies, and I'll also bring my dog.
okay.
Because I love pets. I love them a lot. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
especially
I also
bunnies.
love. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I've always
Okay.
wanted to, have a bunny on my for my own, but I never had an opportunity. But maybe in some time I'll just buy one.
Yeah, yeah. But
Right.
they are very delicate. They are very.
Mhm.
So, what do you think? Like, they are
Yeah,
vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Can you tell me?
with non-vegetarian, right? They eat chicken as well.
Yeah, but earlier because from since childhood we are
Yeah.
studying about like herbivorous animals.
Yes. Yes.
Herbivorous
Yes.
animals, rabbit also comes under herbivorous animals. But
Herbivorous.
yeah, but just when we took bunny at our place, so
Yeah.
then we came to know, like, because we are non-vegetarian, so then we came to know they eat non-veg food also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
and
Right.
it was
Right. Yeah.
surprising for us.
Yeah, actually, I've heard about this before because one of my friends used to own a few bunnies and he used to feed them little tiny pieces of chicken. And
Yeah,
he used to say, like, they love it a lot. It's not only carrot that they eat, they eat
yeah,
everything, everything that they
everything.
can, bite into.
Yeah,
Right. Really
like
nice.
deliberately we don't give, but sometime like
Mhm.
if our leftover food is there and they get
Yeah.
outside, so they
Okay.
just have. So then only we came to know, oh my God, they are like a cat. Yeah.
Right. So, do you own a cat as well? Because you said that the
No,
cat
no,
attacked
no.
the bunny.
We don't have cat, but sometimes they come from our neighborhood place. So
Okay. Okay. Right.
yeah,
Right. Right. So the cat
yes.
is just a stray cat,
Stray
just
cat, yes, stray cat.
wow.
Maybe someone like in my neighborhood, that cat. How to say their cat it was.
Yeah, the
So
cat might have escaped,
yes,
right?
yes, yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
sometimes they come. Sometimes the cat comes at my
Yeah.
place.
Today in the morning, something happened. While I was going for work, I saw a cat, and I'm sure that it has been escaped. I mean, it has escaped from its owner because it's a really nice cat. Like it looked really hairy, and
Oh,
it looked really nice. It had yellow eyes, and it was
yeah, yeah.
black in color. It was a Persian cat. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
I saw that and I was like, wow, can I, I was thinking, shall I, take him home with me? Because,
Oh,
he looked really cute.
oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
So dog and cat both are all
Mm.
together.
Yeah, yeah, both. Yeah, but that'll be a problem because, the dog is really aggressive these days. So
Yeah.
yeah, he's just 6 months old. He's very small.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Next
And what
time when
breed?
we have the
What
session,
breed it is? What breed?
it's a Chinese breed. The name is Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu.
Tzu, Shih Tzu,
Shitzu.
Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu. Yeah, it's a hairy breed. If he's around, I don't know if
Yeah. Okay.
he was here, I would have bought him. But I think he's. Kai kya? Cookie? Cookie? Huh? He's eating. He's
Okay.
eating
No
his
issue.
meal.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the issue.
No issue. No issue.
Otherwise, he would have been here.
Okay,
Right,
okay.
right. Okay. So I think we have a 15-minute session, right?
Yeah, yeah. 15 minutes.
Okay. All right. Then I think time is almost up.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all right. It's all right. It's fine. It's fine. So
Okay.
I'll just give you my feedback quickly. So today you spoke really well, but one thing that I think you should be concentrating on is the sentence structuring part.
Yeah,
Sometimes,
I want to learn. That is my
yeah,
weakest point, I know, but yeah, I am trying
sometimes.
to improve. Yeah, I
Mhm.
am trying to improve, but yeah,
But these are all very small mistakes. Okay, there's nothing to worry because other what really matters is the grammar part, the pronunciation part. So in your case, the only problem is sentence structuring. That's all, nothing
yeah,
else. And so many people have this issue, and it's completely normal.
yeah.
So
So
there's
can you
nothing to
tell
worry
me
about.
what should I do for this
No,
for
no,
so
I'll tell you. Try, just try to express everything out that is in your mind. All right. Sometimes, you just speak your heart out. That's what I want to say to you. Try. I mean, always notice that whatever you had in your mind is expressed out properly. That's all that you have to think of. That's it.
okay.
If you're not able to express everything out, that means that there's a slight issue. Okay, sometimes we won't be able to express everything out. That's also normal.
Sometimes I
So
also
try.
feel like there are some clutter into my mind, and
Okay, yeah,
I
yeah,
am clutter.
yeah.
I can use clutter word
Cluttered,
to
yeah, 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 you can. So
yeah,
if
yeah,
all your thoughts are cluttered, it's fine. You just relax and take a deep breath and just start over again. That's
yeah.
it.